Hello, I'm Rosangela Melatto, and on behalf of the team, I'm presenting the abstract entitled Framework for Implementing Industry 4.0 Technologies to Promote Circular Economy in Post-Harvest Agribusiness in Brazil. Agribusiness is a fundamental pillar for sustaining the global population, representing a great portion of employment and GDP. In Brazil, the sector represents 37% of formal employment and 24.1% of GDP. The concern for meeting ESG, meaning environmental, social, and governance criteria, has led companies to adopt sustainable practices for responsible environmental management, social well-being, and corporate governance. The strategic planning of agribusiness companies has considered Industry 4.0 technologies and circular economy practices for responsible resource management and innovation. The integration of Industry 4.0 technologies and circular economy practices is crucial for overcoming challenges such as resource scarcity and climate change, promoting sustainability and efficiency. Industry 4.0 technologies and circular economy practices enhance productive efficiency and reduce food waste, making the agricultural value chain more sustainable. The growing concern for ESG criteria has driven companies to adopt sustainable practices. Industry 4.0 technologies and circular economy practices are crucial for overcoming challenges such as resource scarcity and climate change, promoting sustainability and efficiency. Resource scarcity. Industry 4.0 technologies and circular economy practices help address resource scarcity by optimizing resource utilization and promoting reuse and recycling. Climate change. Circular economy practices reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote sustainable agriculture, mitigating the impact of climate change. Sustainable practice. The integration of Industry 4.0 technologies and circular economy practices promotes sustainable and efficient development in agribusiness. The integration of Industry 4.0 technologies in the agribusiness supply chain has changed the sector with innovative circular practices. Industry 4.0 technologies such as the Internet of Things, cybersecurity, cloud computing, big data, blockchain, robotics, smart manufacturing, and additive manufacturing have driven circular economy practices like regeneration, refusal, sharing, reconditioning, remanufacturing, renewal, optimization, looping, virtualization, exchange, cycling, reflection, recovery, reduction, repurposing, reuse, extension, and repositioning. This research proposes a framework for implementing Industry 4.0 technologies to promote circular economy practice in the post-harvest stage of Brazilian agribusiness. The study addresses the gap in the literature by exploring the integration of Industry 4.0 technologies and circular economy practices to enhance sustainability and efficiency in the agricultural value chain. The research resulted in a framework structured in three phases: preparation, pilot testing, expansion, and integration of systems. The preparation phase focuses on establishing foundations by identifying and acquiring IoT devices, sensors, and device management systems. Cybersecurity implementation is crucial to ensure data protection. The pilot testing phase aims to evaluate the framework's effectiveness in a controlled environment. The integration phase expands system integration across the entire post-harvest agribusiness chain. The framework utilizes several Industry 4.0 technologies and circular economy practices in each phase. The preparation phase involves the acquisition of IoT devices, sensors, and device management systems, as well as cybersecurity implementation. The pilot testing phase focuses on deploying autonomous robots and warehouse automation systems using real-time collaboration platforms and implementing AI and application development platforms. The integration phase expands the use of AI and machine learning for advanced analysis, integrates project management systems and agricultural marketplace platforms, adopts augmented reality, and implements blockchain for transparency and traceability. The proposed framework offers a comprehensive approach to implementing Industry 4.0 technologies to promote circular economy practices in the post-harvest stage of Brazilian agribusiness. By integrating these technologies and practices, the framework aims to enhance sustainability, efficiency, and competitiveness in the sector, contributing to a more responsible and resilient agricultural system. The proposed framework contributes to theory by expanding knowledge on the integration of digitalization and sustainability in agribusiness, offering a new perspective on the synergy between technology and sustainable practices. In terms of business practice, the research provides a detailed and applicable guide for companies in the sector, enabling resource optimization, waste reduction, and increased productive efficiency, aligning with demands for more sustainable and comprehensive processes. For society, the adoption of these technologies and practices contributes to environmental conservation and the economic sustainability of rural communities, promoting a more responsible and resilient agriculture in the face of climate change and global food security challenges. For your attention today, thank you.